Hey guys, today we're talking about some great mudroom options. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes, the host of Art Renovation, and special guest Tyler Ellis from Realty One Group. Tyler, tell us a bit about this home and specifically this great little mudroom.
So this is a forest type infill, and in mudrooms you get a ton of traffic through here. So this is a nice way to kind of hide the mess from the rest of the house.
Yeah, I think we get asked a lot to upgrade mudrooms to incorporate a bench and some storage, and in this case we have a site-built bench cubby solution, and these can be done almost within any budget. You can go to the extent of having pull-out drawers beneath the bench and cabinet doors above. This one's nice open concept, keeps the construction cost down a little bit, but also gives you a chance to display some nice baskets, and everyone's got a hook. Everyone has a cubby. It's a great way to use the space, and it helps to kind of manage the high traffic area, in this case off the back door because we're adjacent to the rear garage.
Really easy for kids as well to place their coat on the hook and put their mitts in a bin.
Absolutely. It's a great design. If you have questions about how to renovate your home to incorporate something like this, or you want to see a listing like this one, you reach out to Tyler. His information's below. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Paul.
I'm Tyler.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels. Have a great one.